So guys, today I'm just going to be doing a really quick video of some funny things from YouTube. Anyway, this dog has the cutest sneeze. And so does this chicken.
Oh dear.
Have you ever wondered what it looks like when a cat gets brain freeze? Well, here it is. You just hate it when you lose your Superman powers halfway through a jump. Did you know that koalas cry when they get kicked out trees by bigger koalas? Did you know that my mum and water do not come out with a happy mix? Let me know what you thought of this video in the description. I hope you've enjoyed it. Goodbye, good night, and good day.